Hello, thanks for watching. This is Damien from Property Profiled Owners Corporation Plumbing Contractors. Today we're at J1 at City Gardens in North Melbourne, undertaking a CCTV inspection of the stormwater drain. We're looking for signs or issues in relation to subsidence affecting J1 and a couple of the other apartments in J block. We're entering the drain via a downpipe connection. It's the very top end of the drain. Outside J1, we're heading downstream towards the bottom of the drain, which is in Plaintree Way. Access to the drain is difficult. It's only via the upstream connection. There's no suitable stormwater pits or good access downstream that enables us to camera this section of the drain. So we've already undertaken high pressure jet cleaning and removed large clumps of roots and quite a bit of silt at the top end of the drain. This is still not ideal. Silt's collecting on the bottom of the pipe. There's remnants of tree roots. It just makes the vision a lot more difficult to interpret, and also it clouds the vision and makes it harder to see any broken pipes or cracks in the drain. I'm just working downstream slowly, pushing the camera in, trying not to disturb the rubbish and silt sitting on the bottom of the pipe. The green hose on the right of the screen is the high pressure jet. I'm just undertaking some more jet cleaning just to try and break up the silt, remove some more tree roots and improve the vision. Drain's just holding a little bit of water after the cleaning. It is flowing away. Drain doesn't appear to be completely blocked or blocked in such respect that it would cause water to push into the ground around the footings or around the foundations of J1. And as of yet, I've not been able to locate any major breaks in the drain. With each pass of the high pressure jet, additional scale is removed from the side of the pipe, so you notice the side of the pipe is becoming quite clean. We're also removing additional clumps of tree roots. This will help the water flow. We're just conducting some more high pressure cleaning. Another large clump of roots on the way out. Try and pull that out with the root cutting head on the end of the high pressure hose. That clump of roots is almost the same internal diameter of the pipe. The more roots we can remove from the top end of the drain, the better the drain will flow and the easier it will be to flush through the silt and the debris which will help improve the quality of the vision. There are some chunks of brick and concrete and mortar in the pipe. Not exactly sure where or how they would have gotten in there. They may have come from the box gutters on the roof, where the wall has been cracking quite extensively. Mortar may be falling out onto the roof and washing down the downpipes, ending up in the stormwater drain. There's still quite a few remnants of roots sitting in the pipe, as you can see there. Just going to conduct shortly a pipe location using radio detection equipment to try and track the camera head inside the pipe, and we'll be able to mark that join there where quite a few of the roots have been getting in. The camera transmits the radio signal and the pipe locator will detect the signal, and we can determine exactly where the issue is in the ground. Most likely it will be under those trees in the garden bed between the two car parks. Those roots are entering a join almost directly under that small garden bed. Just some additional high pressure cleaning going on. Trying as best we can to remove as much of the silt. Currently just flushing some fresh water in from the top of the drain. Now that a lot of the silt at this end has been broken up and loosened, and we've got a considerable amount of the tree roots out of the pipe, the fresh water will flush this remaining debris downstream. The pipe wall's now looking very clean. We're not able to push the camera all the way to the exit point or to the point of discharge in Planetree Way. There's too many changes of direction on this drain, and the fact that there's no additional pits along the line, we can't put the camera in down further. It would be a good idea to install one or perhaps two pits along this drain to enable good future maintenance, access, and also just an inspection every 2 or 3 years is not a bad idea, given the amount of trees around and the amount of roots that we've just pulled out of this pipe. I think we'll end the CCTV inspection shortly. The vision is not improving because of the rubbish in the drain. We're continually putting the camera in, taking the camera out, and realistically the overall result has not greatly improved. Once a pit gets installed down further and the drain can be properly cleaned, then it may be worth taking a second look and seeing if any major issues can be discovered that could be affecting the subsidence of the apartments in J Block. Thank you very much. This will be the end of our inspection.